yummy in my tummy.
Good. Okay, friends, are you ready for this? I got my package here. This is the unboxing of Yummy in My Tummy.
Yummy in my tummy. Yummy in my
Oh.
tummy. Yummy in my tummy.
Oh. Wow, look at that yellow. Just like the sun. Just like the sun that was up in my studio on the ceiling, if you remember that. Oh, wow. Front, back. It looks good so far. This is so odd of an experience when it's your own book and it's the first time you've seen it. Beautiful. This one is perfect bound, so there's no staples in the middle, and actually I'm quite happy with how it opens up, so that's good. More instructions. Oh, it looks beautiful. The pages are so nice and shiny.
The end.
Jeez. Oh, we have all kinds of fun singing that we can do together in this book. Vibrant colors, the most amazing illustrations from Corinne. And this book is kind of funny. Each character gets to bring something to a picnic, and the letters are in bold. You can always change those while you're reading the story to your little one and have fun. And Tina has 2 black keys and Bobby has 3. This is the note song, so you can learn all about quarter, half, and whole notes. The animal symphony. You make all kinds of silly sounds, and of course, peekaboo. I love playing peekaboo in my studio with all my little ones. And this song is perfect. It's a poem set with kind of a backbeat. I know you're going to love it. Wow. Oh, activity cards and a nice yellow backing on them, and of course then my little pocket, which you can cut out and tape to the back if you like, or if you like you can cut it out and tape it to a resealable plastic bag and put all of your cards that are laminated, because I know you want them to last forever, and you can put all the little cards inside that little pocket or the resealable bag. Oh my goodness, I am so happy with how this second book turned out. You can buy it on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Walmart, anywhere where online books are sold. So excited! And I'm getting to the illustration part of Chugga Chugga. And yeah, I'm so excited, you guys. Thanks for joining me and supporting me on this amazing new adventure in my career. And I can't wait to see all the pictures of all the kidlets holding tiny Tinkles Town. And hey, some of you are receiving both of these books today, and thank you. Thank you so much for your support. It means everything to me in this new world with my new kind of business keeping me busy and helping to support my family through all this COVID stuff. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. See you soon.
Yummy in my tummy, yummy in my tummy, good. Yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy, yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy.